I feel like science is like, you have to be comfortable being uncomfortable and not knowing what you're doing and like discovering things on the edge all the time. My name is Camille Delavaux. So I'm a postdoctoral researcher here at the Crowther Lab, and I work on two major projects. So one is trying to link the microbiome to plant diversity, so forest diversity across the world, and the other is trying to understand what diversity traits of native communities might protect them against invasion. The first project that I'm working on with the plant microbiome and how it might mediate plant diversity or forest diversity and structure will be helpful to improve management and conservation of really diverse places on Earth and potentially help with restoration, because this has been a typically understudied component of the forest ecosystem. So understanding that is really important. And then from the invasion perspective, it's pretty directly has social implications, because if we better understand what can protect native systems against invasion, again, we might be able to manage them in a way that could directly help buffer against invasion, which is important. Well, it seems like a really obvious answer to me. I just have always kind of been wanted to understand the world that I see around me, which is nature. The story behind how I actually got involved in not just nature in general, but plants and their microbes is because I had to lead a lecture in my undergraduate about symbiosis, so just interactions between organisms across different kingdoms that are typically beneficial, and I was just completely sucked in at how plants and their symbionts can interact and benefit each other. I think the really exciting part about being a scientist is that we actually get to discover things that no one else has before. It is a challenge because you're always struggling and doing something new that even your advisors or peers cannot completely guide you on, but that's kind of the fun also. It's creating this new thing. One of the big reasons I think it's an awesome lab is because people are coming from very different perspectives. I came from a lab that was great for my PhD, where everyone worked with the microbiome and mostly a specific kind of fungus, and here it's there are people working on animals, dispersing seeds, and have physics backgrounds and are from bringing all of those different tools and experiences to help everyone else solve their own questions. I really like walking a lot and hiking and cooking and reading and just spending time with my family. And one thing I really like doing is traveling. And Switzerland is great for that because you can just hop on a train for an hour and just arrive to a whole new city, or go to a castle, or a whole new forest. So it depends which sharks. If you have the previous knowledge that they're not going to be aggressive, then that's fine. In the Galapagos, all the sharks are friendly, basically. So they tell you that, so then you can go and swim and sharks come by and you're fine. But if you just drop me in the ocean and it's a shark, I'll probably be scared.